Hey, Redneck Mudding Guys here. There's Hunter. We're going to be going down the river. We're on up by Dinsmore here. This is our first video quad riding. We got a Yamaha 250 and a Honda 250. So here we go down the river. Oh, that's Hunter, by the way.
Yeah, you already said that.
Switch my camera arms here. Okay, river crossing here. Hunter's gonna be the first guy. Oh shit. Okay. And went in the deep end. I kinda went in the deep end that time.
Go through this shortcut, turn around, and go through it again, right?
Alright. Go through that other one too.
Which one?
Yeah, same one we just went through.
Ready for this, son? Ready?
Yeah. Oh, deep end. Ooh, should have zoomed in on that one. You went deep.
I went through the deep shit.
That didn't look like it on camera, but you went pretty deep.
Dude, look at it. It's all soaked, man.
Jeez.
Dude, my leg's all soaked.
Smoking. Anyways, we're gonna do this for a little bit, and we'll talk to you guys later.